You might see me falling off.
Okay. Oh dear. Alright. There's Matt down there. I'm up this here tree. Down that tree there. Look at it. It looks like a mess. And this is motueka. This is New Zealand. This is what New Zealand looks like when you're up a tree. There's an American airplane up there flying around. I think it might be the Wright brothers. Maybe they're in the wrong town. Maybe they are the wrong brothers after all. So this is the tree here. So the answer is going to be to life's problem. It's just to cover off up by where that rope hook's on somewhere, and then like hopefully the ladder doesn't fall off while Matt pulls the rope and just hold it. Yeah, it's good. It's cracking. So don't let it go back too far. No. Cool. That's it. Keep it coming. Keep it coming, Matt. Pull, 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 pull. Beautiful. Beautiful. I knew it was going to go over that side, but that's good though. We did good, man. We did good. Oh, and actually, this is the wrong tree. We're going to have to stick it back up. First time I've ever cut a tree down with an electric chainsaw. What the? I think I am losing my masculinity. Basically, I'm called Kevin now. Kevin. I hit the fence with this one, man. That's dead. It's dead.